Alright, welcome back people to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Thank you very much again for tuning in, people. Really appreciate it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You know everything already. Massive respect. This is actually the review show for game week 21. I should have done it already. Unfortunately, we just get the opportunity to do it. The game never move fast, very fast, people. I'm telling you where I go. Sorry about that, people. Jesus, I'm start record already now. Anyways, so just run through the games. The surprising result. Surprising result for the day, for the match day. Chapelton defeating Dumbarton. I thought Dumbarton. Well, is that surprising? I don't think that's surprising still. The margin score, like the scoreline kinda, the margin of the scoreline kinda, you know, cause I say boy, Chapelton, I say Chapelton have goals. Chapelton have fine goals, you know, so that's good. That's nothing wrong with that still. Next game is Waterhouse versus Montego Bay. As expected, Montego Bay won that game. I think I predicted a 2-1 win in favor of Montego Bay, and the game ended 3-1 to Waterhouse. Anyways, let me just give goal scorers them for the Dumbarton game. Dwight Merrick, Nicole Christian, and DeAndre Thomas for Dumbarton, and Marlon Allen score for Chapelton. New recruit, you know? New recruit. Next game, Waterhouse, the Mobile game. Let me see if I can find who scored in the game there. Normally Mobile put it up on the page who score. Montego Bay. Let me find out. Just find that phone of people. John. Think Joan Weatherly score. Joan Ferreira score, and Chanel Thomas, you know, as you know, leading goal scorer for the league, or one of the leading goal scorers for the league. Next game we're gonna look at is who scored for Waterhouse. I never saw who scored for Waterhouse. No, not sure me. Anyways, next game we're gonna look at is Racing versus Harborview. Another much improved performance from Harborview. But as I said, Racing might just have the edge for this one, and the game actually ended how I predicted. A 1-0 in favor of Racing. Goal scored by Ronaldo Biggs. As you know, once him start add output, you know, he expects him to improve consistently. He's a good player. Unfortunately, just the output. Portmore versus Malines. I predicted a win for Portmore. It didn't happen. Game draw. 0-0. Apparently, it was more of a quiet 0-0 game, but quite an interesting one. Sometimes I say still. Portmore still remain in the top 6 though, so that's a positive. Next up is Arnett Garden defeating Humble Lion 5-1. 5-1. Hey, 5-1. Let me get the goal scorers then. Siobhan Willis scores, open his record. Warner Brown back on his goal scoring sheet. Jaheim Thomas from the penalty spot, and Giovanni Taylor, the youngster, with a brace on his debut. 17-year-old Giovanni Taylor. He was 17, he was 16, soon turned 17. And Stephen Barnett scored the consolation for Humble Lion. But big up yourself, Giovanni Taylor, youngster. Want contact? Go say something. Say something. Upon the beat, upon it, and say something. Say something, no? Alright. And I don't even say. Alright. Anyways. Cavalier versus Cavalier, that game ended 0-0. Say no, not much happened. Not much to report about that game. Decent game as well, quite a decent game. Cavalier now still kind of try to find some level of consistency. And the final game, I'm going to discuss the final game of the game week is Mount Pleasant versus Vere. And all that talky, man, and the game ended over the two games, it ended 10-1. 6-0 in the first game for Mount Pleasant and 4-1 in this game. And I thought that it was a really classy dominant play by Mount Pleasant. A classy dominant play. They look really good. Dominating the ball. Most of the ball was played in the final third for Mount Pleasant and defensive third for Vere. First goal, Kyle Ming opener. I think in the 3rd minute, Kyle Ming with opener. Ramido Gardner in the 25th minute as well with an equalizer. And then there, you know, the game kind of, you know. But even though Mount Pleasant had most of the possession, Vere was in it. Then Shaquille Bradford with a header to kind of seal off everything there. Sole McCullough, early part in the second half from a set piece, you know, is really good at that. The ball kind of fumbling at the box and he put it away. Then Nolan on the 80th, technically the 88th minute of the game. Missed the penalty, then followed through with the follow. But a good game week. I think it was a fairly decent game week. Want to look at, you know. Anyways, that should cover everything. Yeah. Look out for the preview show. So big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. See you guys again. Until next time. MG Sports TV. Road. God bless. Boom. Grace.